Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you a 3 looks, 1 palette review. And the reason why I've done that is because, to be honest with you, I'm fed up of getting out palettes, using them just once and then putting them in my drawer and not finding that true gem that I would honestly pick up more than once. If you're new to this channel, I would love you to subscribe. So, let me take the brush out. This is the palette. Everybody has got swatches on this guy, so you know, you can go and look up just Urban Decay Naked Honey and you'll find the swatches. So basically what I wanted to do is, obviously with this one, hit as many shades as I can, which I've done today. I've, with this look, managed to actually use all of them. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to go in with this look that I did first, then 2 more will come after it, and I will come back and give you a roundup of how I actually felt about these, because I have got some opinions and I just think leaving it till the end of the video will give you, because it's all fresh in my mind and I can do that. So here is me applying this look that I'm wearing now. So I'm going in with Keep, which is this one just here. Audit. Then I'm going to go into this dark one here called Drip, and then I'm going to take the darker colour as well. And then I'm just blending them two together so there's like no seams. Then I'm going to taking the dark colour that I said and put that on the outer part. And I think I'm going to put it on the inner part as well and do a halo. I don't want to take it right up into the crease, so I'm just going to darken these outer edges here, and the same on this side. Then I think I'm going to go into Honey, and I'm just going to use my finger for this and just put it in the centre. Oh, that's nice. Going over the 2 outer colours so they blend nicely. And then just going back in with a little brush just to make sure there's no seamless. And it blends nicely. Then on my lower lash line I'm going to go in with Drip again and just rub that across there. Showing it up there. Then taking the lightest shade and I'm just going to do my brow arch. Also my inner corner. Lighten that up just. So I'll be back when I've got my mascara and everything else on. So guys, this is the finished look. And I'll see you in the next one. So guys, I've just primed my eyes with the Urban Decay primer, and because there's not a light enough shade in here to just set my crease, I'm going in with a Kiko white cream based eyeshadow. So, because I actually prefer a set base. I think first of all I'm going to go into Keeper, which is that one just there, and I'm going to just put that through my crease. Then I'm going to go into Hive, which is this one just here. I'm putting that a little bit lower. And then on my outer part of my eye, I'm going to go in with Drip. And I'm just packing it on first to get the pigmentation that I would like. I'm not really taking it into my crease, just want it more on my lid. Then I will be taking this one here, and I'm just going to put that all over the rest of my lid. Let's go for a more matte look today. Just making sure they blend nicely together. So that's finished look. I'm just going to go off and put some mascara and everything on, and I'll be back. So guys, this is the finished look. So first of all, I'm going in with Sweet. Then I'm going in with Queen. And although it's a metallic shade, I'm going to try and blend it out and see. It says, fluff on my brush. And I'm just going to pack it on and blend it into my crease. Then going back in with Sweets and taking it a little higher. And to help blend Queen out. Then I'm going to be taking a bit of the Sting, which is the darkest colour, and just putting that, try and just darken this outer part up a little bit more, but not bringing it in as far as the Queen. And take a bit of that Queen again and just put that on my, just going to put that on my lower lash line. HBC, which is the next one from the end, and I'm just going to pack this on with a pack brush just here. Then on the front part of my eye, I'm going to be taking the last colour that I've not actually used, which is amber. I'm just taking this at the front part of my eye. Blending them two together nicely. Then just getting a little brush with a bit of that HBC and just gonna blend them together a little bit better. And also I'm running a bit of that HBC under my lash line. The white shade, and I'm just going to put this on my inner corner, which is the first one in the palette, just to brighten it. And under my brow arch, but only really lightly. So this is the darkest look so far, but I like that. So I'll be back when I've put on my mascara and my lips, and I'll give you my final thoughts on this product. So as you saw from that video of me applying these eyeshadows, I did what I'm wearing today. I did a very neutral one, and I also did one that was not really out there, but was for it. But the reason I wanted to do like an everyday one was so that I got to experience just as a normal consumer would with this, which is, can you go to this and just pick a couple of shades and blend them on your eyelids and do as you can? Yes, you can. And the only reason why I've got so many on my eyelids today is because I wanted to use, I think there was one colour that I hadn't technically used, so I just had to throw that in. It doesn't look the greatest, but it had to be done so that I could technically say I've used this entire palette. So starting off with, these blend like a dream, and I use the Urban Decay Primer Potion every time I used it, and I didn't set it down that I could see, because I always set my base and then I keep thinking to myself, well, what's the point of setting your base if you're going to be blending? And it's supposed to help your eyeshadow stick better and last longer and do things. For me, I was like, no, don't set it, see what happens. Boy, yes, these were so nice, so blendable. They are quirky colours, I must admit. Some of them you just think, why is that in there? But they all fit, and when I mean they all fit nicely together. It's a cohesive palette. And I know, because it's all honey themed, but you know, when I mean cohesive, I mean like this shade here will go with this dark green, this glitter green, sorry. The white will go with any of it. The darkest of the dark will go with any of them. And that is what I liked about this palette. It was unbelievably versatile. These are kind of palettes that I like because they're mainly half and half, where half of them's matte, half of them a shimmer. Now, I know in my look, I don't really do a matte one because I just like that extra pop. I always have done, so I don't think I'll ever just be a matte and done person. All of these, and they're so creamy soft. You know, these are the three in the middle, and they're just absolutely stunning colours. You know, this is quite dark, but I've got it on today, as you saw in the video, and I still managed, even though I spread it, even though I blended it in, it performed beautifully, absolutely beautifully. So you still got the gold reflex. It didn't disappear. It wasn't one of them ones where you get a black shadow with sparkling and you never see the sparkle. It's like, why did they put that in the first place, when you know for a fact that it doesn't show up? Whereas for these, they do. For me, this is the first one that I can honestly say that I would use on a regular basis. I had the Naked and I used it once. My daughter wanted one for Christmas and I was just like, I'm not paying out another £40–50 for another one when I don't like it anyway, because all the tones just blended into each other. It was like the same thing. Whereas with this, it's so versatile, guys. So as you can tell by this, that I'm really happy I've got this, and I only paid off the price. Don't know what else to say about it. The packaging is nice. The aesthetics is nice on it. You know, I could go on and ramble for another 20 minutes about how good this palette is. And yes, it is good. Really is good. But I've got to shut my mouth at some time, and I think now's the time. So for me, this is a win, and I love. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, and there's any more palettes out there that you think that I might have, any videos where you think, oh, Nadia only did one look on that palette, I wonder if she'll get it out again, then let us know in the comments below. Also, if you've got any ideas of what you would like me to do, would love to hear in the comments below. And thank you guys for supporting me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.